today I'm going to perform for you Reclined Hero Pose. This is again one of the most powerful postures of yoga. Let us all perform it together. Let's begin. Supta Virasana, also called as Reclined Hero Pose. Now to begin with this position, kindly sit in Virasana pose. Means your upper body is upright and your legs are bent back at the knees, so your feet are on either side of your upper thighs. Bring your hands down to the floor on either side of your thighs. Now walk your hands back towards your hips as you lean your torso back. Bend at your elbow to come down onto your forearms. If you are comfortable, we will take this further ahead. However, if you are not comfortable, you can just stay in this position or take a help of a yoga block or a folded blanket. You can try continuing to release your back towards eventually reaching the floor. Make sure your knees stay close together and do not let them separate. You can reach out your arms and touch each other. Stay in this reclined position for 5 to 10 comfortable breaths. Reclined Hero Pose provides an intense stretch for the front of our body, including thighs, feet, and abdominal muscles. This is also helpful for easing muscle tension and improves our blood circulation and benefits our nervous system. To come out and release the pose, raise yourself onto your forearms first and then press into your hands to return yourself into a sitting position. You can also straighten your legs and make yourself comfortable and take few breaths here. So my friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching my video and also performing Reclined Hero Pose with me. If you have liked my channel, kindly hit the like button. Do write in the comment box, I want to hear from you too. If you have any requests, let me know, I shall make video of your choice. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are new viewer. Stay fit, stay blessed friends, till we meet again, bye bye.